lights went out again. We can't keep our power going. This is a constant problem.
I think I have a solution for your lighting and heating problems. Can you meet me out at the hot tent?
Roger that. I hope it's a good solution because we need to do something.
Copy that. I think you'll like it.
Alright, let's go see what he's got. Alrighty, let's go see what these guys are working on. Alright, so what's the grand plan here?
Well, we got a fire going. We thought we'd melt some fat and some wax and make some Mullein candles. Why not?
Nah, it can't hurt.
We've got some dried mullein stalks here that we're going to try making some candles out of, which has been traditionally done since ancient times for ceremonial purposes and for light. Today we are going to try 3 different methods to make the candles. One is cooking fats, one is lard, and the third, which we're going to put on the fire now, is wax.
So mullein is supposedly good for candles. Aren't there some other good uses for mullein?
Yeah, traditionally it's been used and made into a lot of forms as teas, as tinctures, extracts, drops for the ears, and so it's often used to clear out lungs from allergies and colds. It's used for inflammation in different parts of the body, after injuries, all kinds of different things. All right, time for number 3, the wax. Ooh, it sizzled when it went in there. All right. Yeah. And it's better to spoon it. We set up this drying rack here and gave nice thick coats of the animal fat, the lard in the middle, and the wax on this side, and made sure they got really coated.
Alright, so before we light this up, we need to expose a little bit of the mullein stalk, and that's what will actually light. So that's what we've done. Let's fire it up. And we got it. So there's the candle wax. So we'll take a look and we'll see and we'll compare them all. Well, everybody, we had a fun time making this video, and it actually seems to turn out that all 3 are about equal, maybe for different reasons. So the wax is maybe burning with the biggest flame. The kitchen drippings, mostly bacon grease, has a big flame and is maintaining its flame. And the lard is burning the slowest, which might be a good quality in a candle. So all 3 of them seem to work. Was kind of surprised by that. Really expected the wax to be the best. But there you go, and now you know. Thanks for joining us, and we will catch you on the next one.